Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to control the line of your ball and how to throw a bouncer and a yorker. First, to throw a yorker, you want to grip the ball with both of your fingers connected, and you want to keep your index and middle finger at the top and your thumb at the bottom. You want to have at least a thumb's length, but not too much or else you'll lose control. When you're releasing a yorker, you want to have your wrist fully cocked back, and when you're releasing it, you want to have it fully cocked forward so it like snaps and it also sends with more pull action. Here's a quick example of how to throw a yorker. Now, to throw a bouncer, you want to have both of your fingers on the gray lines and grip the ball like this. This time though, you want to have an index finger's length so it's more controlled, but you don't want to have the grip too tight either. You want to loosen it up so you feel free when you're releasing the ball, or else the ball will just stay low. The point of the bouncer is to catch the batsman off guard and potentially knock their stumps down. Here's how you throw a bouncer. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more cricket tutorials.